Hey guys, Saurabh this side. Today we are going to see the program to find the or to group the anagram strings. Okay, so क्या प्रोग्राम लिखने वाले हैं grouping the anagram strings. Okay, let me tell you what is the anagram strings. Anagram strings are the strings created by rearranging the characters of a string. So let's say we have some string called words, colon equal to string, and here I am giving some string, let's say 80 comma 80 comma eta. Okay, so these strings I have given. Okay, and just for printing, let me print it. Words, what it will print, we'll see. Okay, it's printing same. Let me add one more group. Listening, okay, list, and listen I will create, and some string I will give telisn. Okay, telisn. Okay, so these are strings I have created. Now anagram strings you have to group it together, so these should be printed in a group, these should be printed in a group. So now what we are going to do, firstly, since we are grouping it, means some slice is required. Okay, so what I will do, I will create one slice, or what map will create. What by this program I have taken first, because in this program we are going to see few things like how to use strings, how to use map, how to use slice, and how to sort these strings. So everything it is coming inside a single program. That's why I have taken this program. So let's see. So firstly, some output I am going to create. I will create one map. In map, what we are going to store key as a string will be sorted. So what will the approach? Firstly, we are going to sort each element, and that will become key, and value will become the slice of strings. Okay, so this will be the output. Now let's iterate over this slice. For index we don't need, that value we need. Okay, so what I will do, okay, let's iterate colon equal to range on words. I'll try to create one separate sort function, okay, which will return. So let me create one function called sort string. Okay, so here what we'll do, we'll return one string, and here we'll pass the string which has to be sorted. So called s we have to sort. So firstly let's okay, I'm calling this function here some key, since we are going to use that return string as a key. So sort string I will pass well here. Okay, this sort function you want, and this sort function will do complete later. So firstly let's say here once we have key, so what we'll do, in map we'll see if key is there or not. Since we are maintaining map, so in map directly we can pass this key, and map is what is the value, means output, map name is output. Okay, so in output what we'll do, we'll simply assign it, we'll append, since in each key we'll be having slice, so append what we are going to append. For this key we are going to append the value. Okay, and this will print words. So for printing also, let's now we'll print the output. Okay, so here also index and value will return. So range over output. Okay, so here we will print. Key is not required, directly value I can print. Okay, so now let's fill this sort function. So sorting For sorting, I will using slice method. So let's try to use it. So sort dot slice. So here one thing is what it will take. It will take argument as array or slice. So and that I'll provide a for room. So let's create one tone slice tone and of s. So we'll pass a r here. Here it will take one function. So int I and j int, and this function should return some boolean data. Okay. So what we are going to return here, we can return if r of I is less than r of j, we can return true. Return true, otherwise return false. Okay. And here down we'll return the return string of s. Okay, let's format it first. If any error is there, yes, something is missing. What is missing here? New line in argument. So okay, so here we have to give like this, it will not work. Now again format it. Okay, now there is no error. Let's run it. Okay, first argument to append must be slice have key. Okay, what we have to append? We have to append an map. We have given wrong. Okay, so output of key in this we have to append, for particular key we have to append. Now let's see what is the output. Okay, it is printing in next line. Each thing it is printing in next line. So let's do one thing. What happened here? It's not printing. We have appended it. So let's try to print key and value. What's happening here? Something is wrong. Okay, I have returned S actually. I have to return R. Okay. So now you can see here this key I can take here. Now let's run it. Now you can see these are the anagram grouped values. So now key is not required. We can remove it from print. So here underscore I am giving and just run it. Now we can see here tell is okay. Here actually 2e we have one. So let's remove one e. Then it will be grouped. Yes, it is done. So this function I have done for anagram. So guys, if you have any doubts or comments, you can, or suggestion you can put into comment section. I will definitely respond there. Thank you very much.